morning. Today we're gonna go ride. Morning, people. We're gonna take out the new whip. If any of you, for whatever reason, follow me on Instagram at all, you would have noticed that I parted out my jump bike and sold my Trek as a whole, and built a 2020 Nukeproof Scout. The extra large size frame, 27.5 wheels, and it is so sick. It is so much, it's so crazy to me to feel the difference between it and my other bikes. It's pretty slack for a hard, I guess it's kind of like an aggressive hardtail. At least I think it is. That was the goal of the bike that I was trying to build, or of building that bike. I wanted a San Quentin but couldn't get a frame anywhere, and then I got really lucky with this frame. Got it on Chain Reaction. They had two of them in stock when I discovered they even had them. So I picked one up, and it was actually at my doorstep like 5 or 7 days later. It was crazy fast. I don't understand how Chain Reaction gets stuff to the United States so fast. It's insane. Because my bike shop was telling me they were struggling to get parts. Yet we can get a whole frame from, over the pond in like less than 2 weeks. It's pretty awesome. But finally got it finished and like completely dialed yesterday. I got my rear brake sorted out. I was having a real bad, it was squealing real bad. Didn't want to stop, really loud. That's actually how I crashed it a second lap, first day riding it, because I didn't have a front brake because I didn't have the 180 mil adapter, and didn't know that I needed that to run that size rotor on my Ford. So got that sorted. Got my rear brake going. This actually works like it's supposed to now. Had to put some new pads on there. So I'm gonna go do a few laps at the trail, and maybe probably give you guys like a bike check or something, or just kind of go over a little bit. But stay tuned. Hopefully we don't crash. Had to make a pit stop. It's coffee. It's at 1,000 Faces. If you're in Athens, Georgia, you want some good coffee, go to 1,000 Faces. It's on the corner of Thomas Street and I can't see the other street. Google it, you'll be fine. It is fire. Alright, we at Trail Creek. I'm gonna get this bike out and do a walk around real quick. What is this disgustingness? Good to God. Wow. Let's scratch all the hell. So, yeah. Bike check. Bike check! Coffee, then bike check. Alright, here it is. 2020 Scout. Salvaged quite a few parts off of my other bike. Got the bars, rear brake off my other bike, forks. Let's see what else. Pedals, seat post. There's my Z brake. This is the one that was giving me the most problem. That rotor. This is a new rotor, but I had the original pads in there from the last build. I guess it was wore out. Got the wheel set off with Buddy. He might actually be here. But boost wheels. I mean, obviously it's boost frame, but that's not a boost fork. So what I did was I swapped the front hubs. Did I get this thing down? Yeah, so we got DT350 Classic in there. And the cool part about it is I can get the kit. I can get the kit to, oh my god. I can get the kit and just get boost spacing for it later. Whenever I do get a boost for it. Because the forks are expensive. That's what helped me keep most of the cost down. I just use the same fork, but it's great. And for some of you purists out there, you're gonna love this. So check this out. So I got the Eagle GX cassette. This particular wheel had a XD driver. It's the only 12 speed I could use. Well, not the only, but the dilemma I ran into is I wanted a nice drivetrain, but didn't want to spend a whole chunk of money, a whole truckload. But I couldn't mix and match Shimano and SRAM. I couldn't mix and match without going 12 speed. And the way to save a lot of money was to mix and match, because this SLX derailleur was only like 75 bucks. The shifter is pretty cheap too, but it's legit, man. The shifter's pretty nice. I mean, it's got this, like, I forget what they call it, but you can shift. This shifter will go in either direction. So you don't have to like just go one way with it. You know, you can shift back down. You kind of push it forward or pull it to you, whichever. But I have the GX Eagle cassette on an XD driver and an SLX shifter with the Eagle NX crankset, Eagle GX chain, and Shimano SLX shifter. So it's actually a pretty cool way to save some money, because I think a entire GX group set is like, I don't know, it's crazy. It's a crazy amount of money, and it's not supposed to be a crazy expensive bike. Dude, I hate this gimbal sometimes. Like, there we go. It's expensive. I don't want it to be a crazy expensive bike, so I didn't spend a crazy amount of money on it. But anyway, it's a fantastic bike, man. This thing rides like a champ. We got trail keepers. Check them out. But anyway, let's get some tires on dirt and have a ride. I've been trying to find motivation all week to go, and I finally woke up this morning with tons of it, so we're going. Let's do the yellow trail. Sound good? Good. Like, good talk. Glad we did that. Put some gear down. Love this shifter, man. It feels so freaking good. I'm just gonna a little more chill. Little whoop. You know, one thing I've had to get used to is the wheelbase. The wheelbase on my other bike was much shorter, obviously, but like this thing just feels long. But I like it. I feel like it's a missile. It's just like, I want to bomb down stuff. It was a very deceitful turn. Start, burp. Oh God! Almost came off the bike. Whew. It was a bit scary.
Whew, I like the bottom of the new yellow trail. It feels more fun. The way it used to go is pretty cool too, but new one feels more of a, it raises the difficulty to where they claim it should be. I really hope that this angle's working shit. All right, so let's talk how this bad boy rides. So I went from a Trek Marlin 7, and then I got my dirt jump bike, and then I have a BMX bike, and now I have this, and it is a world of difference. Let me tell you, holy crap. I can climb, sort of, like even though it's a hardtail, because of the tires I got on here and the tire pressure, like you almost can't tell. That's a lie. You can definitely tell. But I mean, it's not like, compared to the DJ that I had with 65 pounds of air in it, it's like this thing, huge difference. You know, I'm running the Maxxis DHF wide trail in 2.5 in the front, and the Maxxis DHF, it's just the standard like XO or whatever, 2.3 in the back. And I did that because I've heard you get mad grip, which I want over almost everything. Like weight really isn't too big a deal for me. So yeah, those are my tires. I'm running about 30 PSI because I'm kind of a big dude. And I really like this, the feeling of a super squishy tire kind of scares me. So I want there to be some, you know, I want there to be something, feel like there's really something there. I'm just, the thought of it rolling out from under me and breaking my hand again kind of sucks. But I mean, the tires are great. Wheel set's great. Cassette is amazing. You would think that Shimano and Trem wouldn't work well together, but since the tolerances on a 12-speed nowadays are so close, they work well together. The guy that owns Sunshine Cycles, Jimmy, told me about that. He says what he runs on his bike, and it's a huge dollar savings because you don't have to spend primo money on a damn GX derailleur and a GX shifter. All right, it's gonna be the last lap of the day. We're gonna get that blue one. We're gonna get the whole thing. We'll try anyway. Let's see, we are here. No, we're here. I'm gonna get this whole thing. Down through here, across the street. Oh, you know what? That comes out. I'm gonna try to get through here. And this, actually, I could go this way, get to there and hit the comeback trail. I'll try that. That'll be long. Well, maybe not that long, only 2.5 miles. But look at all of that sweat, good Lord. Ryan Nyquist, if you watch this by some crazy chance, I feel you, dog. The Southeast is no joke. Here we go. It's gonna be a long one. This is the type of course I think the bike's gonna do the best at. It's a little bit of, I guess, I don't know if you can call it, I don't know what the fuck single track even means. But it's not like packed full of features. It's not a jump trail. Oh God, I'm gonna hit my hand on those one day. Break my shit. Ew. I am getting used to the feel of having a longer bike though. That's cool. And for those of you that forgot or maybe missed it, earlier in the video I said that this was a mixture of SRAM and Shimano drivetrain. So we got the SRAM GX Eagle 12-speed, SRAM Eagle chain, SRAM NX 12-speed crankset, but the Shimano derailleur, 12-speed derailleur, I'm walking. Shimano 12-speed derailleur and 12-speed shifter. And if I weren't so out of shape, I could show you how well they work. I mean, there's no way in hell I would have climbed any of this crap on any of my other bikes. But, whew, this bike can do it. Gonna get a little bit faster right through here. And I believe there's a rock drop. I know there's one on this trail, but I think it's coming up close. Hole. Why is there a hole back there? You know, if you race enduro, hats off to you, bro, because God. Whew. Oh yeah. That rock drop's coming up. And I went right by it. Nah, fuck that, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Rock drop, take two. Oh shit, wrong gear. Wrong way, wrong way. Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. We're up. Ooh, bottom fork. I felt it then. I know I said I was gonna get the whole damn trail, but I'm not. I'm gonna get this rhythm section and call it good. Try anyway. Roll, roll. 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 Bah. Oh, I hit my pedal. Case. Whew. Yeah. Oh my God, that felt so good. Yo, that like rough section, I really felt like I just blasted through it. That was good. I'm gonna get it. I'm at least making it to the first exit, damn it. Jesus Christmas Christ. Flaming rollerblades. Bro. So dead. So dead. Alright guys, that's it. That's it for me today. I'm dead. So tired. I got enough of the blue trail. I didn't get the whole thing like I really wanted to, but I got most of it. And my crankset's done come loose again, so I didn't really want to push it too hard and tear something up. Being it, you know, brand new bottom bracket and all, but whew, yeah, Nukeproof Scout. It's a badass bike. She rips. She's a lot of fun. I went through that last like really ruddy, rocky section on the blue line here, and like usually I can feel every nook and cranny and every bump, and it just feels like my bike's coming apart. But that thing, even with a Fox 32 fork, so not like a cross-country fork basically, it's only got like 120 mil travel or something. It's not, I mean, it's still a Fox fork, but it's not like it's not an insane fork by any means. But like, it felt like I had good speed, I had good traction, wasn't completely dry, and I felt like I just bombed. I just, you know, flew right through it, like floated over everything. It felt good. It almost felt like I was on like a really, really low travel full suspension bike almost. It's crazy. But thanks for guys for hanging out. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go home and stop sweating. So catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.